Today I'm taking the PREXISO laser level. So it does come with a tripod. This does have 3 extensions for the legs. These are the nice flap style extensions that I prefer. The center column does have a twist lock to make sure it's not going to collapse. And this actually has some adjustment on it, which is going to be very handy for a laser level, because having the ability to move it up and down to get that laser exactly where you want it very gradually, that's going to make this a very good tripod for that. It does have a quick release adapter on it, and that does have a thumb screw, so you can easily turn that in without needing a screwdriver. Looks like this also has a level on it to make sure that our laser level is going to be level. And we got a little lock on here so you can flip this guy up so you can have it set to 90 degrees. So very nice starter tripod in general, but also a very good choice for a laser level. So it looks like we got a minimum height of about 17 inches and a max height of about 47 inches. Laser level itself comes with a nice case. It comes with some eye protection, so we don't have to worry about those lasers going into our eyes and destroying our retina. Always a good thing. We've got a charger. That's good for 100 and 240 volts, so it's good for international domestic. And it outputs 2 amps at 5 volts. There's a USB-A plug in the bottom. That is going to use this charging cable. That is USB-A to USB-C. We got our manual. We got our clamp. It's got a metal plate on the back, and we got a spot where we can screw that in on the front. And the laser level has a base with magnets on the back, so we can use that to attach that to different objects. As an alternative, if we're just attaching to something metal, we can use the magnets by themselves, or we can screw that directly in. At the bottom, we got a 1/4-20 and a 5/8 mount, so we can attach that to a laser level tripod. We have 3 different emitters. We'll be able to get all of our axes, and we even have indicators on the top letting us know what we've got. Looks like this is detachable. So you can use the laser level just like this, and that also has a 5/8 and 1/4-20 mount on the bottom. That's nice. So we actually have an adapter, so we can use this with AA batteries. It does come with 4 AA batteries, and it comes with a full-on rechargeable battery. That is 3.7 volts, 5100 milliamp hours. And it looks like we can actually charge this directly with the USB-C plug. And that does come fully charged. There we go. So we do need to have this somewhat level in order to start, but we can lock this in place. So you can see that will lock those emitters. They kind of move around a little bit, and then we can press and hold power. And that way we'll be able to hold this at any angle. So if we want to, for example, do an angle on a staircase, we can use this to show us that angle, that straight line, but we don't have to worry about it blinking like it would be if we were to hold it like this. We also have a target, so if you're going to be shining that laser a long distance away and you're having a hard time seeing it, especially if it's like daytime or something like that, this is highly reflective and can make it a lot easier to see that laser. See, it's just got that little guy on the back. Prop that up and you'll be good to go. You can see that makes for a very bright laser level. So we can also choose which lasers we have on, or we could have all of them on at the same time. And we have pulse mode, so if you're using it with an electronic laser receiver, you can't see it does make it a little bit dimmer. What that's actually doing is it's pulsing the laser so that the receiver can't see it. So I'm going to screw on the quick release adapter for the tripod, and we can click that directly into the tripod. The one thing I do like about this one right now is that it actually levels off very quickly. A lot of these laser levels you have to wait quite a while before they actually level off. This one is not that bad, and you can see you got a lot of fine-tuning availability with this tripod. So yeah, if I needed to put up a shelf right here, I wanted to make sure that I have all my screws straight so that the shelf is nice and level. All I have to do is match up that line wherever I need it with that stud, screw those brackets in, and drop my shelf on. I'm fairly OCD, so I want to make sure that everything is perfectly flat, and I find that laser levels are the best thing for that. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice kit.